Okay, so this is a course to take you through the dashboard. This is my timeline. I'll begin with creating of courses. To create a course, you go to LearnPress courses, and then when you click on courses, you just wait a while for it to load. Now, after it has loaded, already this course is there. So when you go to add new to create a course, so add new, you enter the title of the course, maybe course 1. Then you scroll down here, you can pick the course category. You can add a new category by clicking new category. This is just to group courses. So this is the curriculum, but I'll come to that later. Let's talk about this course settings. First of all, you have the duration. What's the duration in terms of weeks or minutes or hours, or the entire duration of this particular course, meaning how long will it take to complete. So if it's a 1 month course, you just put 4 weeks here. That will mean 1 month, or you put 0 to mean a lifetime course. Then block course when duration expires, meaning do you want to just take off the course when this particular lifetime of the course. For example, if it's a 1 month course, if you take this, it means after 1 month that course will not be available for anybody to enroll. We have block course after students finish this course. So if students go through all this course and complete, if this box is ticked, meaning they will not be able to access the course again. Allow repeat, this is for paid courses. Levels, you leave this as levels. Fixed students enrolled, do you want to display a certain number of students so that people who visit your course will have the impression that who visit the site will see the course and have the impression that already so many students are already taking the course. If I put 1,000 here, means it will tell visitors that 1,000 students are already enrolled in this course, but that's not a real figure, so you just decide. Maximum number of students who can join the course. If you are limiting this course to maybe 10 people, then you put 10 here. If it is open to everybody, you don't have any number, you leave it at 0. Retake course, the number of times a user can learn again. So after they complete the course, what's the number of times they can retake the course? I think the name suggests right. So allow show finish but when the student has completed all items but has not passed the course assessment. So if this course is an assessment course whereby the student has to complete before passing, if you enable this button, it means even though the student has not passed all the assignments, quizzes, but they can still complete the course, and if there's a certificate to be given, they will have access to that certificate. That's what this box means. I'll leave the rest of this. Their names are already self-explanatory. Pricing, so if this course has a price that students have to pay before they can access the content, you indicate what the price is, or you leave it as blank as a free course. If there are any requirements, maybe a student before they can enroll this must have already is supposed to take another course before they can enroll in this course. Here you can search for that course and then you add it. You can enter target audience. Anyway, these are just optional. Assessments, what kind of assessment would this course be? Is it evaluated based on lessons, that is as the user reads the content, download the PDFs and whatever, then the system is evaluating the person based on that? Or is it through results, they have to pass certain quizzes and whatever? So these options are self-explanatory, I think. And what's the passing grade? Yeah, so here author talks about the instructors. By default, the author will be the administrator who added this course, but here you can search for other lecturers like this one. You can pick from the student, you can just search. So if there are any other instructors, you will see their profiles and you can select them here, and meaning that this course has been assigned to them. Then you have forum. So if you want to give this course a forum, you can just take this, and then this restrict means that if I take this, only users who are in this course can access this forum. Forum is basically used for discussions. So that's it for settings. Now we come to the curriculum here. As you have to know that the curriculum of the course is grouped under sections. First of all, you have to create a section, maybe week 1. Then you press enter. After you create a section, then you create what? Either lessons or quizzes or assignments under that particular session. So we have week 1. Here week 1, I can talk about maybe topic 1. That's a lesson. Okay. So after topic 1, maybe there can be a quiz. I can say quiz 1. Then after quiz 1, probably there can be another lesson. Then I'll say what? Topic 2. So all this will be done in week 1. That's the week 1 is the session. Then if there's an assignment after topic 2, then I can say what? I will click this and then I'll say assignment 1. Press enter. So these icons represent something. This book icon represents a lesson. This time clock icon represents a quiz, and then this notepad icon represents an assignment. So we are just structuring our this thing. Now you can see this option, select items. Now these select items, you can see from here we have lessons, quizzes, questions, assignments. I can go to the lesson directly and pre-put all the lessons that I want, and then when I'm on the course page, what I'll just do is that I'll say select items, and then I will select the courses, the lessons, like that, and then add them. So there are 2 ways of adding your lessons, your assignments, your quizzes. You can pre-enter them, or you would just do them here. So the next thing, you can create another session again. Let's say week 2. You press enter, and then you what? Arrange it, enter whatever is in it in that order. Okay, so at this stage I'll talk about the featured image here. The featured image is like the preview image for the course. What image alongside the message of the course would viewers see? So I'm just going to pick a random image, and you say publish. So you have added a course now. Now after you've added a course, you would have to now what? Independently edit the course content. For example, here you set topic 1. You have to click on edit item, and when you click on edit item, it opens its dedicated page for that lesson. In this case, you can put all the lesson notes for that particular lesson here that the student will have access to read. Then you come here and then you put the duration. So what's the duration of this lesson? Maybe 3 credit hours, or 3 minutes. If there's no any duration, just put in 0. Then we have this preview option. Students can view this lesson content. This is self-explanatory. If I tick this, it means that a student that is viewing the preview information of this course can have access to this lesson, even though they are not part of the students taking that course. Now here is media. If you have any videos or any content you want students to see, you can bring it here. For example, I'm going to pick an embed video on YouTube. I'm going to embed it here. I'll put the code here. Then here is for your lesson notes. I'm going to just copy some lesson notes I kept here earlier on. So let me say there's a slider that I want the students to also download. What I'll do is that I'll make this slide 1 a hyperlink. So when I say hyperlink, I'll need to now go to my media. Let me right click and open a new tab. I'll go to media, and then I can add a slider or a PDF, etc. from my phone. So you go to add new, select files, pick whatever you want, and then bring it in here. I'm sure this is self-explanatory. Then I'm going to pick this. This is a PDF document. Come back to my lesson, and I want to embed it here so that when students click this, they can download the slides into their device. So I'll just paste the link here. Then I can publish or update. So after updating, I will then view this particular lesson page so that you will see how it looks like for the student. Okay, sorry, I think let me go to courses. Okay, this is the course we are working with, course 1. Yeah, so if I click start now, meaning I want to also enroll in that course, and that will give me access to the course, the course content. So this is the learning area. It's just loading like that. You can see topic 1. This is the lesson 1, which I kept a video from YouTube, and then down here I said click here to download slides. If I click this slide 1, it's going to download this particular document for me. So this is what a student will see, and they will navigate through the outline from here. So that's all about courses and lessons. Now back to courses again. We have a quiz here. To also edit a quiz, you click on edit item. Okay, and when you go to edit item, you can put any information about the quiz here. Maybe this quiz is to test your understanding of blah 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 blah, in that order. Then you come down here. Now we have a quiz. You have to select or add questions under that quiz. So here you can create a new question. Maybe question 1. What is Africa development? You press enter. Then you select the type of the question it is. Okay, a quiz consists of what? Several questions which the student will answer. So this is just question 1. What is Africa development? What type of quiz is it? True or false, multi-choice, single choice, fill in the blank? I'll pick true or false by default. Now here description, if you want any further description for that particular list, you can so select one choice. Maybe for example, just a guide. What's the points you want to give? Is it 1 point, 2 point, 3 points for answering this question? And then here you choose the correct answer here. So when the student choose false, they will tell the student that they didn't get it correct. When they took true, the student will tell the student that they got it correct. And hint, you can put a hint here. Then you can put any further explanation. Now second question 2, you can now come and say how many countries are in Africa. When you are done, you press enter. Now you see, so it has created a second question like that. How many questions? Then you can say okay, multi-choice, if that's the type of question you want, multi-choice. Then here you put a description. Because it's multi-choice now, you can put in several answers. You can say A 11, you can say B 12. You can add more options and tick the correct one. You get a point. 20. So now if a student tick 11 when answering this, we will tell the person that they got it correct. Then third question, fourth question, in that order. Here we have quiz settings. What's the duration? If you want to time the student, meaning within 10 minutes they should be able to answer this. So if I put 10 minutes here, meaning when the students start answering, we are going to time them. And when it's 10 minutes, the answer will be submitted, and then they tell them how much they got. Or you put 0, meaning it's not timed. What is the passing grade? Based on the points you have given. If all is supposed to be 5 points or 10% or whatever, you put it there. So 80% pass. This is percent. So if I put 80, meaning that if it is 5 questions, meaning at least the student should answer what? 4 questions to pass. That's 4 questions will mean 20, 20, 20, 20. That's 80% to pass. I think these options all are self-explanatory. When you read this, you are going to understand it. Yes. So when you are done, you then click on update. So I've updated quiz 1 like that. Now back again to the lesson area for course 1. I want to show you the quiz 1. Now quiz 1, you can see 2 questions. So if the student gets to quiz 1 and they click on start, Now you can see what is Africa development. True. Then I say next. How many countries are in Africa? If I say this and I say finish quiz, are you sure? Yes. So you can see I got 100%. So I just finished my course like that. You can click on review and then in that order. So that is that. The student goes to next and they are in topic 2 like that. So that's that about quizzes, and we will now come to what? Assignments. Now, still in the course 1 we're creating, we have an assignment here. So you click edit item to go to a full-fledged page for that assignment. Here you put every message about the assignment. Then you come down to the assignment settings. If you have any documents, learning materials you want to attach for the students, you can go to add media and then you pick them from your media or upload from your PC. Okay. If you want to just put an intro, maybe read the docs attached for more info before answering the question or whatever. Then what is the duration? You can put 3 days, 2 days. What is the duration that they are supposed to submit? It will let the student know that okay, this assignment is for this duration. And what's the total marks, the maximum mark that a student can get. So I'll put 10. What's the passing grade? Meaning if they get 5 they have passed, or if they get 3 out of 10 they have passed. How many times can they retake? All this I think you accept as mandatory. How many documents can they upload? If I leave it as 1, mean they can only upload 1 document. And then what is the acceptable file? If I remove this and remove everything and leave only PDF, mean they can only upload PDF. What's the size limit? If I put 2 here or 5 here, meaning they can only upload 5 megabytes items. Now I'll go to update. So when I update, I'll come back to the lesson area again for you to see something. This is a lesson area for the course 1 that we are just editing. So I'll come and click on assignments. Assignment 1. Good. You can see duration, passing grade. You can see the intro, read the docs attached, blah blah blah. So if the student click on start, they want to start that assignment. Now, when they click on start, you can see 3 days left. Now, the question will be here, and then they can type their answer, or they can click browse to upload a document for you. They can save to come back and re-edit, or they can send to submit their assignment so that you, the lecturer, will receive it. Good. So that is all about assignments, and I'll move on to what? Live classes. Now live classes, as I was saying, you come to rooms here. Good. Then you come to add new. So let's say in week 1, let's say we have a lesson, but that lesson is supposed to be live class. So maybe live class 1. You see that? So meaning after this, there will be a live class. You see that? Good. Then I'll click edit item for the live class. But however, back to the rooms. So for this live class, I have to create a room for it by saying add new, and then I'll say okay, live class 1. It's just like how you create a Zoom meeting for people to join. That's how it works. Then you just come here, recordable. When you tick your minutes, recordable. Wait for moderator, meaning a student cannot start the class unless the teacher joins before the class will start. When you are done, you publish. Now when you publish, you're just going to copy the link for this class, and then you come to the lesson here. Okay. So when you come here, I'm just going to say okay, to join. You can make this here as a hyperlink, okay, and then you paste. So when they click here, they are going to be taken to the what? The live classroom for them to join. So I'm going to click on update. Alright, so now I've updated the live class lesson. Now let me refresh the course page. This is what the student is going to see as they move through the course curriculum. So now you can see live class as I just added. So when a student click on live class 1, let's see what will happen. You can see click here to join live class. So when they click, when they log in and then they click here, they'll be taken to the what? The live class, and here they can join. And when they join, the lecture will also be there, and then class will take on. After class takes on, if it is recorded, the recording will be there on that page for them to rewatch in that order. So I wouldn't want to make this video extremely long. I would just pause here, and then I will do another video that will be focused on student experience. This is admin experience that I've just done, but the next video will be focused on student experience. Thank you.